Let's dive into 8 design resources that can help you build your next mobile and web application. To start off, let's get you some inspiration. First up is Mobbin. Mobbin is a design inspiration platform that provides a curated collection of screenshots from iOS, Android, and the web, showcasing popular apps, user interfaces, and interactions. Mobbin also provides some unique filtering options. You can filter by company stages, such as Bootstrapped and Indie, to view how the app looked in the early days. You can also filter by company HQ. Another useful feature of Mobbin is to go into screens and filter by certain screen properties. Here, let's click into screen patterns and look at all the different sign-up screens that are available. A great feature of Mobbin is being able to copy the screen directly into Figma. You can then make adjustments in Figma, and if you're using FlutterFlow, use our Figma import in order to start building quickly. Mobbin also allows you to filter on UI elements such as slider, text field, search bar, and more. And an even more useful feature is clicking into flows and selecting flow patterns. Now you can look at different flow patterns such as canceling order and refunding for popular applications. Next up is Coolors. Coolors is an online color scheme generator and management tool. It provides designers and anyone looking for color inspiration with a simple and intuitive way to create color palettes. You can check contrast, view different shades of the color, and even lock the colors that you want to generate more complementary color schemes just by pressing the spacebar. Furthermore, you can explore different color palettes, select an image to generate a theme, check your color contrast with a numeric color contrast score, and now even find fonts that work for your designs. And if you're using FlutterFlow, you can use our Coolors integration to easily transport these themes into your application. Next up, let's get you some photos. So Burst is a free stock photo platform provided by Shopify. It offers a vast collection of high-quality, royalty-free images that are specifically curated for entrepreneurs, businesses, and creative professionals. The platform's main aim is to cater to the needs of small businesses and startups by offering a wide variety of images that can be used for marketing materials, which means it'll be perfect for your business applications as well. Another one that's well known is called Pixels, which is a resource for dynamic photos for your application. Some of them will require attribution to the artist. Both these websites allow you to filter by different categories, so depending on if you're building a fitness app or a mental health app, you can find photographs that work for your use case. Now let's move on to ManyPixels. ManyPixels is a design service that offers unlimited graphic design and illustration on a subscription basis. However, they have an incredible variety of free illustrations and icons to use within your applications for free. You can filter the illustrations from a wide range of categories such as government, fitness, and analytics. And then you can also filter by the design type, such as outline designs, monochromatic designs, isometric, two-color, and more. And then finally, in order to match these illustrations and icons to your application, you can select a master color, which adjusts all the illustrations with this color. And finally, the best part about this is that you can use these illustrations and icons in any project, commercial or personal, without any attribution or any cost. Now let's show you a tool for backgrounds. Haikei is an online design tool specifically focused on creating customizable, stylish backgrounds for various design projects. Haikei itself means background in Japanese. With Haikei, users can choose from a variety of background styles including gradients, geometric patterns, abstract shapes, and more, and make adjustments as they go. Haikei provides intuitive controls such as positioning your abstract shapes, choosing colors, adjusting the complexity scores, and the contour scores of your image in order for you to be able to download a pixel-perfect SVG or PNG file that fits your application needs. Now let's find you some icons. The NounProject is an online platform that provides a vast collection of high-quality icons and symbols created by a global community of designers. It serves as a valuable resource for businesses looking for consistent and professionally designed icons to use in various projects. The platform offers a wide range of icons representing numerous categories, concepts, and objects, and users can also adjust things like background, orientation, and other specifications depending on their needs. Now, while some icons are free, others can be accessed with the Nouns Pro subscription option, with a single payment download to support the artist, or a free download with attribution with limited adjustability. A bonus resource for icons is Ionic. These are openly sourced icons handcrafted. If you're looking for simple, clean icons to include in your app, this is the place. Select between outline, filled, or sharp mode, and you're ready for the next step in your build. With Ionic, you can download the SVG file directly, download the entire designer pack, or copy just the web component code depending on your needs. Now let's move on to fonts. Number 7 is FontSpring. FontSpring is an online marketplace and platform that specializes in the sale and licensing of high-quality fonts for various design projects. It offers a wide range of fonts created by independent type designers and foundries from all over the world. In addition to font licensing, FontSpring provides user-friendly tools for discovering, previewing, and testing fonts before making a purchase. For example, here we can click into this competition font to showcase a wide variety of themes that could be utilized with this font style. This allows designers to assess how the font will look and function in their specific projects before downloading. Now, the best way to use this for your mobile applications is to click on free fonts and go ahead and filter by the categories on the left side. You can filter by font weight, font style, font category, as well as different tags. And you can even type your text directly into FontSpring in order to see how your text would look with the selected font before downloading. If you're purchasing a font for commercial use, you'll have to submit a quote request to get an application license. Application licenses are limited by monthly active users, but it's a one-time fee, and then you can use your typography forever. And finally, let's get you some animations from our friends at LottieFiles. LottieFiles provides a vast collection of pre-made Lottie animations created by designers from all around the world. These animations cover a wide range of styles, effects, and themes, and we can select from a wide variety of free and paid animations and then make our own adjustments. For example, here let's go ahead and select a loading widget. Now, within this loading animation, I can go ahead and adjust animation speed, I can adjust the color palette for the actual loading widget in the background, and I can even adjust interactivity if we want to set the loading bar to animate depending on certain user engagements. We're going to cover this in a future video, so make sure to follow us on our YouTube channel if you're interested. Jumping back into Lottie animations, if you just want to make certain adjustments to your animation, you can open up the clean Lottie file editor. Here you can make even more adjustments to every individual layer of your animation and create different transparent backgrounds in order to properly layer your animation within your app. When you're using Lottie animations, you're able to download a JSON file, a GIF file, MP4 files, and more depending on your plan. Lottie Animations also has multiple other features for animators and developers and designers that I'm not going to cover in this video, but be sure to check them out and watch our future videos for more information. That's it for this video. Share your favorite design websites in the comments below.